No, no, no. Shape. Guys, if you guys liked my last review of the Halloween movies, that's my mask right there. I forgot to show that. But I'll show that when I get my Curse of Michael Myers and all that stuff, so I'll just get rid of that. This is the review most of you guys probably want to see. Sorry. Shooting with my webcam, my controls, not my laptop's a pain in the ass. But, the reviews most of y'all wanted to see. Well, I did one, and, probably you guys wouldn't like it, so, this is one just for you. Gizmo Zero. And Mohawk. Yep, I got these guys just right here. I just got Gizmo. And this comes from the movie Gremlins 2, The New Batch. Now, seeing like this, most people didn't really like the first one. They thought it was more, they had to do more of a spoof from like this. But, well, they didn't care for the second one, because they more had to do a spoof because of some horror movie problems or something, I don't know. But let's just get to the figures. Well, I'll do my review right now of this movie. This is the review of the movie and the figures. The review I gotta say about this is that the Gremlins are now, Gizmo has been found again by Billy because of his caretaker who got killed. Didn't get killed, he passed away. Mr. Wayne, that old man from the first movie. And Gizmo got out of the place because they were tearing the place down, and then he meets up with Billy somehow in the same place, New York City. Then they go to this office building where Gizmo accidentally gets wet, then creates, not that, these two, plus two more which I don't have yet, again, but you'll be seeing it, don't worry. And then they eat after midnight, and then turn into Gremlins, start rampaging and all that, yeah. My rating, 3 stars out of 5. Let me just tell you, it's entertaining, it's wild and crazy, it's something you would expect. Let's start with Combat Gizmo! Rambo! Rambo! I'm teaching to watch television. Yes, this guy, well, for all you, no, he doesn't really, kind of a shame he doesn't point his bow and arrow. Doesn't really hold the pencil, you gotta put the pencil in the belt. Holds this. I'm gonna send one of my friends these for their birthday. Let's hope they're not watching this video. They probably don't know who they are. But these posable eyes stuff that are on here, he doesn't like that I'm pulling them by the ear. I'm just these posable eyes stuff. It doesn't work on these two, or they don't work out. Their eyes go crazy. But this guy, they actually work fine. I'm not gonna move the eyes, but they still had some problems. But they were just fine. But this guy, he's just fantastic. If you just remove that headband, and it's kind of your, just a mad Gizmo, but literally just put this in his hand. Wait. Oh, 1 second. And you got that. Literally, pretty cool, huh? I'm not the first to do this guy, it's just because that old review that I had, I was like the second, but now it took me like a few months to, just a few times, and then finally I'm here, so, yeah, he's so cute, he's small, he's so cute. Rambo! He's got a pencil and, matches, not matches, what is that, that's a red thing, and that's pills, I believe. I thought it was a marshmallow the first time I saw it. Oh, and that's a paperclip, and yeah, nothing to say about this guy. His articulation-wise, his head is great. His legs, they're movable. His swiveling arms, the ears swivel, rotate. But yeah, that's actually Combat Gizmo for y'all guys. Please, just enjoy what you see. Otherwise, go to a different reviewer if you don't like my stuff. Now we got the crazy dude, which is Daffy. This one had adjusting problems with keeping his eyes, but look at this. I think he's... He was the most crazy one of them all. George and Lenny were just. Lenny was one of the weird, or one of the silly ones, while George was just a pissed off one. Oh shit! Just dropped the phone. Give me 1 second. Alright, there we go. It's kind of got like a 70s kind of stripe right there. Just look at like that. Or 80s. Looking cool. He's got nice colors, just like Gizmo. Except he can walk, he kind of walks like this. His arms. Sort of with the hands. The ears rotate, and that's all I gotta say about him. These are just quick. These are quick reviews, you guys. I know. Finally, come to my favorite one of them all, Mohawk. Gizmo, Kaka. He has mouth moves. I know that's a good touch. His legs, unlike the others, pretty much he can walk normal. His head rotates, his ears rotate. He's got great coloring. His legs, his arms, his hands. Guys, these are just wonderful figures. Look at this coloring on him. His mohawk's supposed to go back down his back, but I guess they just did that for the eyes, so it's still fine. You don't expect that, but now, you guys, these are just something you gotta own. If you don't like this review, I'll do a redo, okay? Just say do a redo, do a redo, do a redo. Okay? Okay? And if you want me to show the eyes, well, I don't think I can be. I don't want to fuck around with those eyes anymore. But there's a new set coming out with these gremlins right here. I drew a picture of them, to be exact. The new ones that will be coming would be that sad Gizmo right there. That stripe right there, and the one right there that's next to George. I drew these Haskins. Those are the new ones that should be coming out. But until then, just get these figures and you're in luck. Because they're, like, great. You just need Gremlins 2 right now. But, yeah, that's all you gotta say about that. Oh, that looks cool. There's a gremlin sitting in the shadows Gizmo. You can't see it, but there's a Shadow of Combat Gizmo. That is brilliant. They should make a poster of that. Well, you guys, I'll see you guys next time. Hope you like my review. Please tell me if it's not good. Then I'll just do a redo. Okay? Okay? Cool. Okay, well, guys, peace out. This is Magnum Force 25, aka Cal Callahan. I'm signing out. Oh yeah, screw my voice if you hate it. It's just that I can't get the rights to it being good. I don't know. Well, okay, goodbye, guys.